Hey traders, precious metals fans, buckle up for a gold rush. The golden darling is aiming to reclaim its weekly high, fueled by a potent cocktail of factors sending it on a tear. Let's break it down. Fed frenzies, remember those pesky inflation worries everyone fretted about? Well, they seem to be melting away like snowflakes in the desert. The Producer Price Index, PPI, came in surprisingly soft, showing price increases at factory gates slowing down. This whispers sweet nothings in the ears of investors, a potential return to that sweet 2% inflation target and, most importantly, Fed rate cuts starting March. That's right, folks, from hawkish to dovish, the Fed might be switching sides, and gold is loving it. Geopolitical jitters, while tensions in the Middle East are anything but pleasant, they're actually doing wonders for gold's safe haven appeal. US and UK airstrikes against Houthis in response to oil tanker attacks have everyone on edge, fearing an escalating Israel-Hamas conflict with Iran potentially joining the fray. That kind of uncertainty drives investors straight to gold's warm embrace. Market movers shakers. Gold price, soaring near its weekly high, comfortably above $2,050, basking in the sunshine of rate cut helps and Middle Eastern anxieties. FedWatch tool, chances of a 25 basis point rate cut in March skyrocketed to 70%, thanks to the soft PPI report. Party like it's 2023, gold bugs. Fed policymakers, still playing tough, emphasizing the need for a tight leash on rates, but the market isn't convinced. Whispers of dovish pivot are echoing louder than ever. Next triggers, U.S. retail sales data and the Fed's beige book on Wednesday could offer more clues about the central bank's intentions. Buckle up, it's gonna be a bumpy ride. DXY, the US dollar index is stuck in neutral at 102.50. With American markets taking a nap for Martin Luther King Jr. Day. U.S. Treasury yields, bouncing back towards 3.98%, but the overall bearish trend seems like it's here to stay. The takeaway, gold is on a golden run, fueled by cooling inflation fears, dovish Fed whispers, and a dash of Middle Eastern tension. Keep your eyes peeled on that March rate cut date, traders. This gold rally could be just getting started. And remember, stay tuned to your channel name for all the latest precious metals news and analysis. We'll keep you ahead of the curve, nugget by nugget. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for latest updates.